Understanding a low proportion of a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that can be quite useful in both writing and speaking. A low proportion of. This phrase is often used to describe quantities or amounts in relation to a whole, and understanding how to use it can significantly improve your English fluency. Let's break it down together. When we say, a low proportion of, we're talking about a small part or amount of something compared to the total. The key here is understanding that it's all about comparing one part of something to the whole. For example, if you have a bag of 100 marbles and only 10 of them are red, you could say, a low proportion of the marbles are red. This phrase helps to quantify how much or how many of something there is, in a way that's relative to a larger group or total amount. Using a low proportion of correctly requires paying attention to the context and what you're comparing. Here are some tips. Be clear about the whole. Make sure it's clear what the total group or amount is. For example, a low proportion of students pass the final exam implies you're talking about all the students who took the exam. Match the subject. The phrase can be used with countable and uncountable nouns, but ensure your verb agrees. For example, a low proportion of the water is contaminated uses a singular verb because water is uncountable. Use it to compare. This phrase shines in discussions or writings where you're comparing different groups or quantities. It can help highlight differences in a clear, quantitative way. To give you a better understanding, let's look at some examples across various contexts. Demographics. A low proportion of the population is over 65 years old. Environment. A low proportion of the forest remains untouched by logging. Education. A low proportion of students have access to online learning resources. Health. A low proportion of the community has been vaccinated against the flu. These examples show how versatile and useful this phrase can be in conveying specific information about quantities in a relative manner. That's all for today's lesson on a low proportion of. We hope you now feel more comfortable using this phrase in your English conversations and writings. Remember, the key is to practice, so try creating your own sentences using what we've learned today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.